create some type using the horizontal type tool. It's a layer and you can manipulate that layer. But you can also go to the libraries panel. You can find the libraries panel in window and libraries. Go to the bottom and there's a little plus, click that and use extract from image. It could be create. Now you've got patterns at the top left. You've got a variety of different patterns. Now you've got a preview in the left side. On the right side, you can just manipulate it, move it around, transform it. And also you can click Save to CC Libraries. And that will save it to that panel, the CC Library panel. You can modify the scale. And again, click Save. Anytime you think, oh, that design looks brilliant, click the Save. And you can do it 50, 100 times, all from one single design. And of course you can go through the types. Some may be more interesting than others. You can also manipulate the scale and rotation for those as well. And again, click Save. Save again, and so on. So you can create, like I say, lots of different designs. And of course, you can create multiple text. You don't have to obviously just have the word text. It could be a whole page of text that you can use. Again, save. You've also got an option here for colour mode. So you can go for grayscale as well. And I think that's quite a useful option as well. And again, save once you're happy with your design. And of course, at any point, you can always come out of that and close. You can also go to layer menu and flatten image and apply other effects. Maybe a blur, so filter and Gaussian blur. Just blur it, or maybe apply brush strokes, or maybe go to image and adjustments. So you can distort it, go for wave, click OK. Again, go to the plus at the bottom of the libraries panel and extract from image or create. So patterns, and you can see, manipulate that. And some have transparency. You can see transparency there at the background. Some don't. If you move it, you can see because of that transformation. Now, once you've scaled it, you haven't got that transparency. Save to CC Libraries. And that transparency can be useful. So you can use it with maybe having bevels and drop shadows, etc. And close. And you can see you can create hundreds and hundreds of different designs, all from a single design. And at any time you can click on the libraries panel and it will bring it up as a pattern fill. And you can see that in the libraries panel. So it's just a standard layer or pattern layer, and you can manipulate the angle as well as the scale. Click OK. And each and every time you click one of the entries in the libraries, it will add an additional pattern fill. And 100%, 50%, whatever you want. And you can see it's got transparency, so you can see the design below. Click again. That one doesn't have transparency. And you can see all kinds of different complex designs can be created. And of course, you've still got the layers panel where you can change the blend modes so you can see the layers or not. And you can continue, because they're live, you can change the scale, etc. And of course, once you've got that design, you can also use blend modes there. So you just run through the blend modes, but you can use that design now to create additional designs. So layer and flatten image. And go back to the plus again. Extract from image. And you've got another pattern. And again, click or change the scale, rotation, etc. Transform it, position it. Save. And you can repeat that over and over again to create all kinds of unique designs. And there's all the entries in that panel.